welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. So I've wanted to film this video for quite a while now, but I've been really busy with work and other things in my personal life. But I was lucky to receive a really generous package from M.O.T.D Cosmetics. They have sent me some beautiful cruelty-free and vegan makeup brushes, and they are absolutely stunning. I'm going to hold them up to the camera first and show you what they look like before I start using them. What I absolutely love about these brushes is not only are they cruelty-free and vegan, but they also have written on them exactly what they're supposed to do. There's no confusion on what brush is for what. So I'm not too sure really the sort of tutorial I'm going to do today, because I wanted to create something where I could use all of the brushes, or at least most of them. So I think I'm going to try and go for like a glittery, of course glitter, cut crease, and because I'm very unicorny at the moment, I'm going to try and be as unicorny as possible. So if you want to see how to create a nice glittery cut crease, keep on watching. So here is the finished look. I had no idea what I was going to create. I just wanted to look at the colours and see what was happening and what brushes I could use, and it's come out really pretty. I'm really happy with how it looks, and the brushes were amazing, and I'm so glad I managed to use them all. If you would like to buy from M.O.D Cosmetics, you can use my discount code to get 15% off, which is Christina, and just use that at the checkout to get some dollars off. If you've liked this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and give it a big thumbs up. You don't have to, but I would like you to. And if you would like to see me do any other tutorials, leave a message down below. You can always add me on Instagram as well, which is christina.c.mua. Hope to see you on the next video, and thank you so much for watching.